An aerial view of Lake Powell is seen, where water levels have declined dramatically to lows not seen since it was filled in the 1960s as growing demand for water and climate change shrink the Colorado River and create challenges for business owners and recreation in Page, Arizona, April 20, 2022. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. Guests get a ride on a golf cart from a marina in Lake Powell, where operators are using creative solutions such as extended ramps and golf carts to allow guests to access the water in Page, Arizona, April 20. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. Kayaks are seen on the shore of Lake Powell in Page, Arizona, April 19, 2022. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. A closed boat ramp extends into the open air at Lake Powell, marking the point where water levels used to be in Page, Arizona, April 19, 2022. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. An aerial view of Lake Powell is seen in Page, Arizona, April 20, 2022. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. Boats are seen at a marina in Lake Powell in Page, Arizona, April 20, 2022. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. The growing shoreline of Lake Powell is visible in Page, Arizona, April 18. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. A closed boat ramp extends into desert sand at Lake Powell, April 19. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. People walk up a steep incline after a kayak tour at Lake Powell, April 19. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. A closed boat ramp extends into desert sand at Lake Powell, April 19. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. The growing shoreline of Lake Powell is visible, where water levels have declined dramatically to lows not seen since the lake was filled in the 1960s. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. Glen Canyon Dam is seen from the Glen Canyon National Recreation Area, April 18. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. Buoys are seen abandoned on the growing shoreline of Lake Powell, April 18. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. The crumbling edge of a closed boat launch ramp is seen at Lake Powell, April 19. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. Paddleboarders hike back up a boat ramp roughly 2 football fields long at Lake Powell, April 18. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. A closed boat ramp extends into open air at Lake Powell, April 19. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. The growing shoreline of Lake Powell is visible, as growing demand for its water and climate change shrink the Colorado River, April 18. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. People walk down a long boat ramp to access a kayak tour at Lake Powell, April 19. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. Tumbleweeds are seen by one of the few open marinas on Lake Powell, April 18. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks. People look out at the shrinking Lake Powell shoreline, April 18. Reuters. Caitlin Oaks.